is going to be our feta cheese. I'm using crumbled feta cheese. You can buy a block, cut it, whatever you like. So in goes about 6 ounces of feta cheese. Okay, so you're saying to yourself, well, what is he going to do? What is he going to put in here to make it? You can make a vinaigrette, or you can just use olive oil. So give it about a half cup of olive oil. I'm just measuring it here. That's about a half cup. And then we're going to mix it up. Really simple. All of these good things need to get mixed up and get coated with the olive oil so that we have made a beautiful salad, because it's hot now. It's hot all over the place, and we need to keep our cool down. So, once you have your salad made, you can have this for dinner. Give it a good stir, have it for dinner. Put your protein in, whether you use chicken breast, you use shrimp, you can use whatever you like for protein, and serve it, and your family will enjoy. So, from Carpizzo's Kitchen, this is Pete. Today's little recipe was the pastas. Thank you, and goodbye, everybody. See you again.
Bye, that smells so good.